Do you use the Chrome browser? Then be careful, because it's possible that your personal data has gone to some unknown server without you even knowing it. These 5 Chrome extensions gain your trust and secretly track your every activity. And the most dangerous thing, you might not even realize this yet. Welcome to Cyber Decoded, where we bring light to the darkness of tech. The first extension is SuperZoom. By name, it sounds like a simple image zoom tool, but behind it was hidden a big conspiracy. A cybersecurity firm named AdGuard revealed that SuperZoom was silently tracking your browsing history even when you were not actively using it. IP address, visited websites, and even system info was being recorded without any permission. Google removed this extension from the Chrome Web Store in 2020, but it might still be installed on many users' systems. At number 2 is HoverZoom. This extension was popular for image zooming, but there came a time when its malicious version was secretly selling your data to third-party advertisers. Platforms like Malwarebytes and Reddit researched it and found that it was doing real-time click tracking and even incognito tracking. Just think, an extension that only zooms images was injecting tracking pixels into your browser. Third is DataSaver by 7 Proxies. The name itself says privacy, but it routes your entire network traffic to its own proxy server. What does that mean? Every typed password, login session and browsing data of yours, all of it goes to someone else's server. Trusted tech blogs like ZDNet declared this extension as silent data thief. You installed a VPN for privacy, and that's what ended up leaking your data. At number 4 is a very common extension, Save from .NET Helper. This extension is used to download videos from YouTube or any site, but cybersecurity experts found that it was injecting malicious JavaScript that performed ad fraud, tracking and redirection attacks in the background. If there is any download tool like Save from in your browser, then scan or remove it right now. Don't compromise on safety. And at number 5 is the most controversial one, Hola VPN. More than 10 million people installed it, and everyone thought they got a free VPN. But the truth was that your device became a proxy node for someone else's. In an investigation by Motherboard, it was proven that Hola VPN rents your internet connection to unknown users. You could unknowingly become part of some illegal activity. One bonus tip. Install Extension Activity Monitor from the Chrome Web Store. It will help you find out which extension is running in the background even when you're not using it. So friends, have you also become a victim of these extensions? Go check your browser settings now. Share this video with a friend who's getting fooled in the name of privacy. Tell us in the comments which extension have you used before. See you in the next episode with a new Cyber Exposed. Until then, stay alert, stay private. This is Cyber Decoded, signing off.